Hello, today I want to show you how to create the slide-in menu with Divi theme. But first, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So, we want to create something similar to this one, but with Divi theme and without any code. I will show you how to do that. So, we have Divi theme installed. So we should click Settings, Appearance and Customize. We will see this menu. So, after you should choose Header and Navigation menu. After click Header Format and choose Header Style, Slide In. Great, we have exactly what we wanted. After this, we will be able to change colors, fonts, sizes, etc. So it's just here, slide in and full screen header settings. Change background color, font, let's make it more natural. Similar to the Divi website, something like this. Let's make menu items 16. No, I like bold. Menu width can be smaller. Let's make, oops. Okay, it's minimal. Top bar, we doesn't need it. So, great. So this is how our slide-in menu looks like. We can publish. Very important, don't forget to click Publish. Let's check how it works on Divi website without editor. Very cool. So, we got it without any code. Hope this video helps you. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.